Hi folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al, and I'm not a happy Smurf, Smurf or serf or peon or slave. I'm not happy. I'm gonna fit this cap over my head. I don't have a white cap. This is the closest thing I got. So anyway, Uncle Al's not happy. I'm not. Uncle Al's a very unhappy person. I'm not a Smurf or a puppet. I'm the last of the kind. Be sure to check out Will's Patriot giveaway. And I'll stick with my friends until the very end. It's like I was watching these folks. Sometimes one or two channels like Patriot Farms all of a sudden disappear. I was watching her wonderful berry videos and all of a sudden it went blank. And then years going by, I was watching it went blank, and Hubble's cat went blank. Happy Prepper, we know what happened to him, so please help him out and support him. Galvin and Corsair Trainers. I was rewatching one of his videos, and all of a sudden it went blank. Jordan Jakenberg, I've been watching his videos, and all of a sudden it went blank. And Detroit Prepping, I've been watching his videos, and it went blank twice. And don't forget, tonight is Monday night, so they have an open panel. That's just in time prepping with Will Russell. See that? Okay, and I think it's 6:30 Pacific, so I don't know. I always get the times wrong, so double check your local listings. Oh boy. And again, check out Patriot Farms. And I'll check out these people. All right, over and over again, because I keep missing them. And Kirk's been gone for a long time. I don't know if they got him. Yeah, those secret, whatchamacallit, they don't tell you. Let's see if I got another one. Yeah. I know that's food. Those secret designs to eliminate certain unwanted prepper, West Wind Survival. Now, Uncle Alan found out this first year, and it's been out in certain medias and groups that certain sites or YouTube channels have been blacklisted by Google. I guess we're the new Jews or the new African Americans or the new Latinos into ghettos, YouTube ghettos. So you don't get to broadcast what you want, and we ended up with very low figures. So anyway, I could tell everybody at YouTube, you better get lawyers. And I hope they listen, but they don't. Anyway, and these people, I'll stay with the bitter end, especially Dina. I'll be watching her Angry Pirate News before they get rid of him. Prepared Norseman, I'd be watching over your back. Ethical preparedness, same thing. And cooking preparedness, I'd be really nervous. And modern refugee, I really like, and we know all about Will. I think they got Wasteland Prepping. It's Scotland, you know. And we don't want to forget our friend. Camp Patton, that's Gil. Family compound, store what you eat, what you store. It's good advice, but you have to be careful on it. There's a lot of mythos goes with it too. And people get confused. Hubble's cat. Where is Hubble's cat? Did I show Hubble's cat yet? No. Maybe not. I don't know. I thought I did show Hubble's cat. Oh, he's around here someplace. Okay. And I also check out Hubble's cat. Very good things. All right. And yes, I'm going to try to stop the economic disaster by teaching you a free series on money. They never teach this in college or high school. They used to with home ec, but they don't do that anymore. And remember, last chance, watch out Reed's channel, which is Manifestation of Imagination, DUI Solar, and budget, oops, there goes my hat. Budget Bushcraft RV Life, please check them out. And Urban Grandpa Prepper before you know what happens. This lady too. Eat the beginner's shoes. You're going to shut off her power. Same as the San Diego area. Who's laughing at Uncle Alan now? AK Fab and Cheryl Hirsch. It takes me a little time and it's hard for me to work walking around because my legs certainly keep screwing up with my medication. So I'm having a hell of a long time. And don't forget these folks right here in Canada. Lori Jean, David Lynn, he's in Texas, and Kim or Alas Enoch from Canada. I hope she's all right. Canada, Eastern Canada is doing something wacky with Saskatchewan and Alberta. Please be careful. Please watch your back. Winging it with Irish culling. I'm glad you got those. Yep, Uncle Alan does do reviews, and I do privately. It's for the magazine. That's why they're good condition. Okay. Your future, my past. I wasn't kidding about that. Puppets are everywhere, so be careful this holiday season. There are 185 million of the bad guys in the U.S., and there's only, I think, 122 or 21 million real Americans left, and everybody knows who I'm talking about. Please do not play Rambo or Batman in the Boondocks. You might get picked up as a terrorist. This is why I'm found an unhappy Smurf or a follower because of social engineering. I like big shout outs to Prep Fort, Bethany Myers, Harshman Hills, Liberty Garden, Palmetto Prepared, Corsair Trainers, Canadian Prepper, City Prepper, Strong Avengers, Walter Davis, Kentucky Survival, Michael Sines. You know, I got your back. I'm watching all these people until the very end, December the 10th. And finally, after December 27th, it really doesn't matter. And I'll be watching Step 1 Survival until the bitter end, or until they get me and shut me down. Matt A's Prepping and Survival, I'll still be watching that. Okay, you go back, look back at my, 625 videos, and you tell me if I showed anything dangerous or making anything dangerous. I'm just here sitting down talking, or I show bits of my garden or showing how I prep food, and that's about it. And everybody knows I'm here always, sitting wearing funny hats, talking to props, and sometimes I'll pull out a letter opener and talk about that. But you know what Google said? No! You know what, whatchamacallit, YouTube said? No! And you know what the FTC said? No! And you know what the FCC said? No! And you know what most Democrats say? No. Okay? They don't like Uncle Al. I guess because I've been mistaken for African American. I'm Asian, folks, if you kind of notice. Maybe they don't like me because they think I'm Hispanic, or they don't like me because I have an open mind, or they don't like me because I'm an independent thinker. Now, I'm leaning towards the right, but you guys have no idea what's coming up, and there's only a few of us in Canada. I did a check in Canada. There's only about 15 million brave Canadians that could fight these enemy bad guys. And boy, same thing goes with Mexico, which is kind of scary. And I got a whole list. You see my list of all these people I'm going to follow until the bitter end. because you can't get rid of old Uncle Al. And that's my 10 minutes, and I'll catch you later, folks. I guess I'm kind of a subversive, or whatchamacallit, I'm supposed to be in a ghetto on our blacklist. So I'll catch you later until next time.